Hi everyone, welcome back to Good Vibes Summer Camp. We took a break last year, but we're back for this summer. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a pom-pom out of yarn. Yeah, just out of yarn. And you're going to need scissors and like a good amount of yarn, because if you want to keep it full, you're going to need a lot of yarn. However big you want your pom-pom to be is how big you're going to have the thing you wrap around. So I'm going to use my 2 fingers, and it's going to be a pom-pom about the size of this. You can make it bigger, but you're going to need a lot more yarn if you are. So this is pretty easy. To start, you can use just an object, like something that you could take it off of, but I'm just going to use my fingers for now. So you just wrap it around like this. And you're going to keep wrapping it until it looks full enough. So I'm going to just keep going. Sorry, my yarn got really tangled and I had to cut it. But I'm going to keep going until I think it looks full enough for a pom-pom, which is a lot. Okay, now that we have a pretty decent sized yarn ball here, you have to try and really slip it off your fingers. It's going to take a lot of effort. And keep the hole in the middle. You don't want to lose that hole, because that is what's going to keep the things together. Okay, we have the hole. And now I'm going to cut this off and cut a long strip of this. So about this length, depending on how big your pom-pom is. And you're going to feed it through the hole. You want to make sure you're getting it right through there, and there we go. Now you have all your string on this one thing, and you're going to knot it in the middle, a tight knot. Someone else could help you by pressing your finger down to keep it tight and then you knot it, but I don't have another set of hands here, so. There we go, I have my knot. It should look a little something like this. I know it looks a little rough now, but right at the fun part. So you want to get a good sharp pair of scissors. This could get kind of dangerous, so maybe have an adult with you or have an adult do it for you. And you want to cut right through the center of this. So you want to cut right in the middle of these loops. So now, instead of a bunch of circles, it's 2 sides. Make sure you don't lose these so you can hold on to them. Now, a little yarn everywhere, but I have cut my thing together. But see, it looks pretty uneven. So in front of a trash can, you are going to, if you want to, you could trim it to look a little more not lopsided. This is going to be a pretty big mess, so make sure you do it in front of the trash can, unlike me. So I have my pom-pom pretty rounded out the way I like it, and now you can do anything with it. If you want to make it a little more fluffy, you just play with it, throw it around and stuff like that. You can make it a hairband, you could tie it on your shoelaces, you can do anything with this. you could tie it around with this thing. Don't tie it with the strings you made here, because if you pull it, all the things will come out. And that is how you make a pom-pom.